Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to fix error can't install app in laptop. To start, tap Start and then open Settings. Here under Apps, click on Advanced App Settings. After that, in the line, choose where to get apps. You will set the value anywhere. After this, you are going to copy your application executable and paste it into the C drive. You must click Continue to authorize this. Thanks to this, you can double-click on the executable to open the wizard and complete the installation of the application without error. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.